This cinnamon shortbread recipe is from one of our customers. Hi, I'm Carol Rycraft, and my husband Robin and I own Rycraft cookie stamps, where Robin has been making our cookie stamps by hand since 1968. I'm going to demonstrate how to use our stamps to bake this cinnamon shortbread recipe. By the way, we have a recipe booklet with 8 of Eleanor Rycraft's original recipes, which you can download for free from our website. The first thing you need to do is gather your ingredients and measure them into separate bowls. First, you'll need 1 cup of butter, that's 2 sticks, softened, so you may need to let them sit at room temperature a few hours or overnight. Then measure out 1/2 cup of brown sugar lightly packed and make sure it's uniformly moist so there are no hard lumps in it. Then measure 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. I prefer to use bread flour and add 1 tablespoon of gluten for each cup of flour because the gluten helps to hold the design better while the cookies bake in the oven. Now measure out 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cream the room temperature butter on medium speed for a minute or 2. Then add the brown sugar to the butter and continue mixing until light and fluffy. In a separate bowl, mix together the 4 dry ingredients. That's the flour, the cornstarch, cinnamon, and salt. Add the dry ingredients into the butter mixture a little at a time until just combined. Take care not to overmix. Scrape down the sides and bottom of the mixing bowl until you have a firm ball of dough. Form balls of dough that are about 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter and place them on a cookie sheet. Using parchment paper is optional. I use it because it makes cleanup so much easier. This recipe makes 18 to 20 large balls of dough, or about 2 dozen smaller balls. Do not chill the balls of dough because this dough, when it's cold, seems to crumble more and stick to the stamps. Use flour to dust the stamp and the ball of dough to get a better release. Then press down with the stamp using a rocking motion until the cookie is about 1/3 inch thick. If the dough sticks to the crevices of the design, you can use a toothpick or a vegetable brush to remove any crumbs. Then re-roll the ball of dough and re-flour the stamp and try again. Chill the stamp cookies in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes while you preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Bake 11 to 13 minutes until the edges of the cookies are golden brown. Cool the cookies 10 minutes before moving them to a cooling rack. Store in an airtight container, and yes, you can freeze these cookies to serve later. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.